How to buy Shein Wholesale. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, search for Shein in a preferred browser or launch a Shein application in your device. In here, first and foremost, to buy a Shein Wholesale, you will see super deals time and again in your Shein. This is equivalent to wholesale prices. If you tap on the super deals, you will see there are some of the exclusive discount for wonderful product. Just tap on the product and select on the option of add to cart. Now to purchase the wholesale or discounted item, just tap on the cart option and hit on the checkout button. In the payment method, you can select from any of this wide variety of payment method option for you. You can select PayPal, credit or debit card, Klarna, Cash Pay, Google Pay, Venmo, and more. Just click on any of the payment method. If you select on PayPal, Venmo, Google Pay, or Cash App, you will have to log in via your credential to it. And that is how you buy an item of your Shein Wholesale. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.